Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Ammar bin Abdul Rahim dari BITC S1G1.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Mohamad Imran bin Mohamad Sapian dari kelas BITC S1G1.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Mohamad Fiqri bin Rashid dari kelas S1G1.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Mohamad Hakimi bin Riduan dari kelas BITC S1G1.
Hi, I'm Alif Aiman bin Jaffry from BITC S1G1.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Ameerul Zaki bin Azlan Raous. Saya dari BITC S1G1.
The program is about keeping record system for student. So to begin the program, we have to click on local Windows debugger. So we have to enter username and password. For username, it doesn't matter, you want to put whatever name you want to put. So I'm gonna put my name. So if we enter the wrong password, it will exit the program immediately, like that. So I'm gonna enter the correct password. So the menu will come out like this, which is welcome to student record system, and we have 6 menu, which is first add student, second delete student, third search student, 4 display list of student, 5 sort student by ID, and 6 exit. So first we want to look at the display list of student. So press 4 and enter. We will not see anything because we haven't entered the student yet. So we add student, then name, so the feedback message will come out like that. Student has been added successfully. Press any key to continue. So to make sure the student has been added, press 4, then there it is. So I'm gonna add another student. Student has been added successfully. I'm gonna add another student. So I want to display the list of student. So we got 3 of them, which is Ali, Abu and Ramlah, with their details. So I'm gonna show you how the search program works. Like 34, so Ali, and if I search for 55, which is Ramlah, so I'm gonna delete one of them. I press 2, and we have to enter the position to delete student data. So I'm gonna delete Abu. So student has been deleted successfully. So to check whether the student has been deleted or not, we display the list of student. So there it is, only 2 left. So we're gonna sort student by ID. Then the student has been sorted, which is ascending order, at 34, then 55. That's all. So press 6 to exit the program.
Hello guys, I'm gonna show you what is the code used in this program and how the code works. Okay, first of all, we have two files, First one is student main.cpp and second one is student.h. Okay, student main.cpp is the main file for this program, and this is for the header file. In header file, we put all the function that will be used in main file. Okay, constant is student max size equal 100. It will be used as index size. Then class student. For public section is the constructor and destructor. Then is the function that we will use in public. First, void add student. So the function add student is for public one. Then print student. Okay, the third one is print student position, delete student, search student, and sort student. For private section, replace integer size, string name, integer id, integer age, double GPA, and string state. For the private section, we don't want users to manipulate the data, so only programmers will manipulate the data inside. Okay, next is the constructor and destructor for the class student. Okay, the first function is add student. Here is the coding for function add student. It will be called in the main file. Okay, next is delete student. The third one is print student. The fourth one is print student position. The fifth one is search student. And then the last one is sort student. This function will be used to sort the student according to ID number, I think. Yeah, so student by ID. Okay, next is in main file. Okay, first of all, we include all the thing we need to include. Okay, the first one is function display menu. This function will display the main menu of our program. Then is reset input. Reset input, it will reset, it will clear the error flag on cin, and then it will skip to the next new line. Okay, for main, first is student record. Okay, next is we declare integer. For choice, password, ID, sh, as position. Okay, next is string. We declare for username, as name, and as state. Okay, then it's double we use for SGPA. Okay, first of all, after we run our program, it will see out welcome to student record information. Okay, then all of this. Okay, for the main file, first we include IOStream, include string, because we use string in this program. Okay, next is using namespace std, and then we include student.h. So we call the header file we create before this. Okay, next we place display menu. Okay, in display menu it will see out all of this code. It will see out this menu, add student, delete student, search student, display list of students, sort student by ID, and exit. So the users can choose by entering the number. Okay, next is reset input. So we clear the error flag on cin, and then you skip to the next new line. Okay, in the main code, first is we place student record with the class student, and then we declare choice, password, ID, sh and s position as integer data, and then username, as name and state as string data. SGPA will be declared as double. Okay, then first of all, after we run the program, it will see out this one. Welcome to the student record system. Please enter your username and password. Okay, then it will see out username. And then it will get username from the user. So the user can enter username there. And then password. The password we have set up as 1234 for this program. So the user need to enter 1234 to run this program. If the student enter other than that, it will see out wrong password. The system will exit. Okay, and then we need to run again. So enter the password, the correct password. It's not like username because we can randomly enter whatever username we want, but not for password. Okay, then next is it will show welcome to student record system, and then it will call function display menu. This function display menu is up there. Yes, this one. So it will display menu after we log in before this. And then it will see out choice below after it display menu, and then it will see in our choice. As we can see here, number 1 until number 6, and we already declared choice as integer, so we need to enter number 1 until number 6 in choice. Okay, next, while choice less than plus 6. Okay, for this, because we only have 6 choice, so if user enter the choice in the range of 1 into 6, so it will run under this. User enter other than that, it will repeat again until user enter the correct one, that is between 1 until 6. Okay, the first choice is 1. If the user choose 1, it will see out add student, and then it will see out name. Okay, then user need to enter the name of the student, then student ID, student age, and student GPA. And then user need to enter student state. All of this data above then will be stored in add student as ID, as name, as age, as GPA, and as state. This has been declared in header file. Yes, this one. So the data will go in this. Okay, then we see out student has been added successfully. Okay, for choice 2, if the user enter number 2 at the main menu, it will go to delete student. Okay, then the program will output enter position to delete student data. Then before that is a record print student position. It will print student position. Okay, this print student position. So it will show the list of students that have been recorded from what we enter before. Then it will show that it will give you, for example, number 1, then the name ... for the student, then number 2 ... for the student, until all the number of students have been shown. Okay, then after that we need to see in as position. For this, it means we choose what student need to be deleted. So if for example we have 3 students, we want to delete the second student, then we just type number 2, and then the program will delete the name, the data of the student at the number 2. Okay, settle about that. Next is choice 3, which is search student. Search student, it will search student by according to student ID. Okay, for example, we enter 3 at the main menu, and then we go this, and for example someone with 1 2 3 4 ID, then we search the student ID 1 2 3 4, then we show the data. Okay, then it will show the search student is from the header file. Search student, it will be shown in that code. Okay, from this code we can see if we enter the wrong ID, it will show student not found, and if we enter the correct ID like I said before, it will show the name, student ID, age, GPA and state. All of the data will be shown. Okay, next is choice 4, which is list of student. List of student. Okay, then it will see out all the list of student that we have input before. List of student, print student. So this one, function print student, it will show name, student ID, age, GPA and state. Okay, then choice 5 is sort student by ID. If we choose 5, then it will show the student list according by their ID, which is from in ascending order. So for example, if someone with 1 2 3 4 ID and another one is 1 2 3 5, then it will show 1 2 3 4 at the above and 1 2 3 5 at the below one, and then respectively it will continually sort to ascending order. That's all from our code. Then they will display menu back again. Okay, this one is for if we repeatedly, it's for repetition. Okay, next is choice 6, which is exit. If we choose exit, then it will say like this: see out, goodbye. That's all from us. Thank you.